Hi guys, we decided to make a mini course about UGC. Maybe you've heard a little bit about UGC and you want to know exactly how to do it. Or maybe it's the first time you're hearing about it and you're like, what the heck is UGC? Do not worry, I'm going to tell you all about it. By the end of this course, you're going to know everything you need about how to become a UGC creator, starting from what is UGC to making your portfolio and start pitching brands. Okay, so first, what is UGC? UGC stands for User Generated Content. It means that UGC is created by a user, like you and me, for brands to post on their social media. So a company could be looking for someone that looks like their ideal customer to make a video of their product as if they just bought it. So the customer is the video creator. Once the video is filmed and edited, the creator sends it to the brand. The video is now theirs and they can do whatever they want to do. They can post it wherever they want to post it. Usually they use the video to promote a particular product or just to promote the brand. Even if we are just starting to hear more about it since a few years, UGC is not new. In fact, it's been around since forever. It can take various forms like videos, images, text, reviews, comments, or even forum posts. But today the most popular way to do it is with short form video. It's because of the rise of internet and the social media platform that we see more and more of it. Like it's became really easy to push content like this. User can easily share their thoughts on products, their experience, their opinion. It's easy to share with a huge audience. That's why it's so popular with TikToks, Reels, or YouTube. We see a lot of ads like this, actually all the time. So imagine you are scrolling on your social media and you see someone that can look just like you. You know, she looks normal. She's a normal girl. She's unboxing a pair of leggings she just received. And she's giving us our honest opinion about it. The legging looks so comfortable. The color is trendy. It's affordable. It's perfect for someone like me. So I might just kind of buy it. It's easy like that. I think it's the best way to do marketing right now because it's a win-win-win situation for the creator, for the brand, and for the customer. I'm gonna tell you why in the next video.